Hey, Father's Day is coming up, and if you're going to give a gift to your dad, I'm going to show you 5 top tech gifts that I think your father will love. I know Grandpa Casey enjoys them. Now, I have 2 gifts here I think your outdoors dad will probably really enjoy. One would be the Extremus Blaze 360 rechargeable electric lighter, or also built-in flashlight. Now, this will light a fire just like that, and who's when you're outside, who wants to bring the matches and everything else to light the fire? You can recharge this. It has a lithium battery. That is going to be great, and it goes on Amazon right now for only $13. The next one is Extremus makes a bunch of wonderful survival tools. So if you're an outdoor type, you can give your father an outdoor pack, such as this one here with built-in flashlight, knife, and much, much more. And that goes on Amazon relatively for just about $40, $50, depending upon the model and how much it has in there. What dad doesn't love to grill? And of course, this one by Weber is a single probe wired sensor. It has a 150-hour battery life. It will withstand temperatures up to 716 degrees. So it's great when you're using a smoker and you want to cook the meat, but you want to know when it's ready. Relatively low cost. I will leave you the link in the description. Staying on the subject of cooking and barbecuing, maybe you can get this one by Meat Plus. This is a single probe unit. It's dishwasher safe, connects to your iPhone or your Android phone. You can plug it into any type of meat, and if you're rotisserizing, you don't have to worry about it because it has a wire connected to it. And because of the app, you'll be able to monitor the temperature and know when it's perfectly ready to go. Again, I will leave you the link on the description. So what dad that is not into tools? If your dad's into tools, there's something inexpensive you can get them by, I think it's BlendX. It's a magnetic wristband, and you can put it around. You can put it around his wrist, and as you can see here, you can put screws, all kinds of tips, so that it's handy for him that when he's working, he doesn't have to put down the screwdriver, pick it up. It's right there and handy. So these are my top 5 tech gifts for Father's Day for this year. Now, I'm going to leave you the description. If you've liked this content, please give us a like and subscribe. Hit the bell. So this way, you'll be able to get more tech tips, more Father's Day gifts from Grandpa KC. You have a great Father's Day.